Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing video. My laptop actually came in, so woo! I need to start saying crap. Alright, let's do it. Yes, I'm using a butter knife. I don't want to use a real knife because that'd be kind of dangerous. Well, dangerous to the laptop, not to me more or less. Alright. Woo! Let's see what this is. Thank you to my aunt for buying this for me as a graduation gift. And let's see. Obviously it's an HP laptop. I don't remember the model name. Let's just say it looks pretty good. Good size. Not too big, not too small. I know it's a 14-inch. So, yeah. Oh, it's the HP Athelon. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, there's nothing really else to show but just to show this, but hopefully I can do some videos on that along with my college work. So, thanks for watching.